Let's take a look at what happened today with Tesla. We closed at 309.26, up $6.63, 2.19%. Post-market up a little bit more. Let's see where we are in terms of our downward channel. Are we still into our downward channel? And the answer is yes, we are still trending down. That's the quick answer. Yet we still have a hard time, which is good, to get lower than 295 right here. 295. If we lose 295, as we said, then we are going lower, probably down to 240. But so far, we cannot say that this is going to happen because right now we are still okay above 295. We have buyers at 295 right here. Sometimes gets a little bit lower, but it gets bought up. This is the point. It gets bought up. So this is good news that we don't go lower than 295. Is it the time to buy? This is not really the time to buy because we are still into a downward channel, and it's possible that we eventually will close below 295, and it's possible that buyers are going to vanish. Right now, the buyers are there, but the sellers are there also. The sellers are right here. The buyers are right here. We have an equilibrium, boom, right here. We are in balance. When is the balance going to shift? The balance is going to shift between the buyers and sellers when we are going to start breaking above this downward resistance. This is going to show us that balance is starting to shift. On the daily chart, we are going to need a lot more than just breaking above this one right here is going to be nice. So we are looking at 335.73 in order to have a decent buy. Because 335, at the same time, we are into this congestion zone. You see it right here. We are stopping at 335. Yes, sometimes it goes a little bit higher, but it gets sell down. So we have sellers at 335. So we have buyers at 295. We have sellers at 335. Who is going to win and when? Nobody knows. This is a secret. Nobody knows. But we know that when it is going to happen, then it is going to be the time to act. If we go lower than 295, this is going to be a sell. If we go higher than 335.73, this is going to be a buy. Let's take a look at the rest of the markets. VIX had a super big move up on Friday. Post Jerome Powell leaving the rates as is. The markets did not like that too much. Today we are coming down nicely. We are down 2.84. We are at 1753. So this is giving us a little bit more motivation to get back into longs. When the VIX is above 20, this is not the right time to go into longs. The bonds are also coming down. This is always good. Let's take a look at the stock indices. Dow Jones had a move down on Friday, down to 33, and now we are picking back up 1.34% up. This is really nice to see this. So things are slowly recovering nicely. SPX also a move down. Now we are recuperating this. We are up 1.47%. Nasdaq, same thing, lower than support. Now, boom, we are back at it. Russell, same thing. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is where the support is. And boom. This is last Thursday. This is Friday. And boom, this is today. So far, we can conclude that what happened towards the end of last week is just a fluke, and we seem to be recovering really good. It's only one candle, so one candle does not make a trend. So we'll see with tomorrow and the rest of the week also. But this is for sure a nice sign. If we take a look at the heat map of the market, look at this. Lots of green, some black, and very few red. This is fantastic. Let's take a look at cryptos a little bit. So cryptos got hit too. And during the weekend, we had 2 green days on a Bitcoin. Right now, we cannot recover over 115.206, which was the support of this quite shallow congestion zone right here. So we cannot recover that. We should at least recover that number before thinking about getting back in. And it would be nice to get stochastic over 60 as well, but this has not happened yet. Ethereum bouncing even better. Look at this. A nice green day today. We are up 6%. So recently we have been making lower highs right here. So once we are going to start to break this, so maybe this is going to be an indication that we are really wanting to go higher with Ethereum. Let's also think about 39.47 right here. So this is a horizontal resistance that we have not been able to break above since mid-July, let's say. This sign and this sign are going to be indications that we want to go higher. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.